Ma'am, nalang may i-deliver nga parcel para niyo. Ma'am, pwede amo lang itong ipa-receive. Kay need man good imuhang signature o kanang picture, ma'am ba? Ay, para lang na kuhan, ma'am, ka ng proof bitaw dito sa among sa sender na receive nimo. Oo niya. Pa-prepare na lang po daan sa delivery charge, ma'am. Kailangan, ma'am? 3,900 ra, ma'am. 3,900. 3,900. Hindi, ma'am, nabarya na lang. Wow, may gisog dito. Gcash, ma'am. Masig na kay Gcash. Pwede ra. Kuha na ka box. Manggudto, ma'am ba? Hello? Kuha na lang amo lang tong ipa-check ni mo daan. Anya later, pwede ra amo rang huwaton para sa settlement sa bayad ani. Unya uban ni lang ni ma'am. Palihog aring ubos. Pwede na ka magpauban, ma'am, para na lang tayo proof nga na-receive mo ba? Ali lang sa man. Ano ka na daw piso? Bahala na dito siya.
Pa-check na lang milan, ma'am ha. No worries later, makahuwag naman din sa settlement sa bayan. Halang ka! Sige mo, marabasip na natin. Gcash ka lang, oy! Oo, mutawad na mag-Gcash among amo, ma'am. Ani lang ka, ma'am. Paliyot na lang kung open, ani going up, ma'am. Going up, open.
Girl, just look at you, standing there so beautiful, you take my breath away. Everything that you do just radiates perfection, can't find the words to say. But I know this is real, and the way that I feel, the way I feel inside. Just knowing that you're mine, I want you by my side. Spend forever and a day loving you. For the rest of my life, girl, I'll get it right. So I can make all our dreams come true.
Surprise from no other than one and only, very loving, very sweet boyfriend, Sir Marvin. Happy Mansari! Wawa, ipipadara ni Sir. Ano ka, ma'am, sa kilid at tubang tangani, ma'am? Sige, ang okay pala ang ma'am, sa imong feelings na grabe with effort, sister. It's a complete package, I know, for dinner na ninyo. Hello ka, wala ba yung mga tawa rin? Okay, ma'am. Ang sa imong feelings karong hapunan. I'm so very happy and very for
this surprise, ma'am. So, thank you so much. Marvin Amawid.
Yay! Dili ito malang set complete thing. So, ina na gyud ka ka-bless. Dili tanan inganaon pag-surprise. Dili tanan uyab ingana ka-effort.
Yes,
So, ma'am, happy Monster. And don't worry kay wakay bayron nang nag-flash.
Kaya wala pa ko'y balance ang chikas.
Dalawa kita ni Sir Marvin aning pinakalit. Okay? So, para lang ginihin mo. Ma'am, are you happy?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Happy and grateful. Teary-eyed si ma'am. Okay. So, ma'am, napod ko yung surprise sa mo, ma'am. Nasa gipaandam nga nga message. Dali lang, ma'am. Namugnaw si ma'am.
Masig nga dyan.
Ay, wala ma'am. Dili na mo si Sir Marvin. Okay, ano lang sa ma'am? Anya. Palihog na lang ko. Lagi!
Apa video?
Tapos sa saluha.
Oh, ada mudah-mudahan.
Ari lang ta, Marvin, sir. Ari lang ta sa center. Ma'am, palit.
Kita rin, nagdako kay tingog din ito.
Yes, ano, sir, sa kiss! Congratulations!
Sampai balance na.
Ala, pero ano ba sa Gcash, sir?
Ano kay Kartara?
Kaya na ako mga gusto pang isulti ni ma'am. Karong adlaw, it's your monthsary and it's the memorable day. Go, sir.
Ako naman, may nag-furnace. Mga tubang na may nag-furnace.
Iyan na mo sa ahon, ma'am, para na another surprise yung message. Ma'am, ikaw na kay message ni sir sa tanang effort and preparation niya para karong big day nito. Parang kiss nila! Sa big day pohon-pohon. So, congratulations, ma'am and sir! And sir, thank you for choosing Karencita para aning special na houling ang doha. Thank you, ma'am. Parang
Kami kong dagan dyan mo, ha? Sakit na rin ko sa
yes, so na may mga pang dinner, ma'am. Kompleto na siya.
Ito po tira ito mga.
Okay na tayo. So, ang picture sa tayo, sir.
When I feel alone, I know to take a look around. There are caring folks like you just waiting to be found. So before I dig a hole and hide out underground, listen for the messages you send, saying I'll take care of you, you'll take care of me. Whatever we are going through, we can let it be. We'll take care of it, just you and me. Whenever it gets dark, I try to look out for the light. Find a song to get me through the long and lonely nights. But when you're here, it's clear to me the shadows are alright.
You're a sign of better nights ahead, saying I'll take care of you. You'll take care of me. Whatever we are going through, we can let it be. We'll take care of it, just you and me. Take care of it, just you and me.